How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use force blocks in Geometry Dash. So basically, force blocks have different usage in Geometry Dash. Now, in my case, I'm going to be placing a force block onto this specific part of the page right here, or onto this specific part of the level. Basically, with this one, it will actually allow us to stick onto our blocks right here, similar onto the other blocks, like maybe this one. Once again, there's different purposes for this blocks. So the first thing that we're going to try is that specific block right there. So let's just go ahead and navigate through this part, and basically it will allow us to stick onto that specific part of our area. Now you could just experiment with other options right here. You have other options like V, J, S, and H, and then you also have this ones and this ones. So there's a lot of things that you could do with force blocks, and that's just the easy part of it. And with this one, it will basically allow us to travel infinitely high, and that's going to be it. It's extremely simple. Just experiment with these blocks right here and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.